Audit file. What is audit file? One or more folders or other storage media in physical or electronic form containing the records that comprising the audit documentation in a specific engage or in specific engagement. You do an audit. Example, you are doing one audit. In that audit, you collect some evidence. What kind of evidence? You collect permanent documentation and temporary documentation. What are these kind of permanent document you may have in the paper form or electronic form? These may be physical or electronic. So that is be stored na somewhere. There is a hard disk you will store. So these all, even you have paper that is audit evidence, electronic form that is audit evidence, audit file, and whatever that contains that comes under one or more folders. These all contains audit file. Okay. So the engagement, audit engagement comprises include the terms of engagement, including whether it is a reasonable assurance engagement or a limited assurance engagement. You see, reasonable assurance is a limited risk, but reduced risk is less, but the limited assurance risk is high. And this is give positive, this is give negative. And the characteristic of the subject matter, the criteria to be used, needs of the intended user, relevant characteristics of the responsible party, of its environment, other matter, for example, events and transactions and conditions of practice that may have a specified effect of the engagement. So these are the things we need to consider when doing audit.